Hi, boys and girls. Today I'm going to be reading a story to you called Frogs. Now, this story is a nonfiction story. So, what that means, nonfiction, not fake, it's real. And we know that it's real because it's going to have real pictures, which is one of the things that we see in nonfiction. We'll see real photographs. We're going to be learning information, and we are going to be seeing diagrams and seeing some vocabulary words. So this introduction to frogs covers their growth process, behaviors, the lands they call home, and more. So let's begin. Frogs by Aaron Frisch. Hello, frogs. Look at their eyes. Can you imagine what it would be like to have those big, big, big frog eyes like that? I can't imagine. Frogs are animals that are good at jumping. Most frogs live by or in water. So here you could see the way the body moves when it's going to jump like that. And then if you see this in the water, you probably have a creature. Many frogs are green, yellow, or brown, and some frogs are many colors. So something to remember about frogs that are lots of different colors, like if they're bright blue, you don't want to touch them because most likely they are poisonous. Frogs have strong back legs. Frogs that swim a lot have webbed feet. Other frogs have sticky feet. So that's why they can kind of stand up on these reeds and it looks like they're hanging on tight just like that. Frogs eat bugs and worms. Frogs use their long tongues to catch food. So look at this. So they go, ah, and their tongue goes like that and stretches out. And I think they're sticky so that whatever they're going to eat, it sticks to it and it comes right in. So here they are eating some bugs. Do you think that would be tasty? Maybe. Baby frogs are called tadpoles. Tadpoles look like fish. Then they grow into adults. So they all start off like this, and then their legs start to pop out, and then the tail kind of goes away, and they're usually in the water when they are babies. Frogs croak to find mates. They jump into water and they look for bugs to eat. Goodbye, frogs. So here are some pictures. And what we noticed about these pictures are these are diagrams. So diagrams mean that they're labels that show us to the different parts of the frog. So we can see here, this is called the sticky toe pad. That's what helps them stick on those reeds. And some of them have webbed feet. And remember, the webbed feet are for the ones that swim in the water. And then here are their legs. And then here's kind of looking at the top of one. So here's their eyes. And I think their eyes kind of move like that so that they can see. And this little hole right here, and you kind of see it right here, that's their nostril. So that's what they use to smell. And then look at their skin right there. Their skin kind of looks like watermelon. Interesting. Here are some words to know, like croak. Croak means to make a loud, creaky sound. I wonder if you guys can make a croak at home, like croak. Mates. So when it's mates, it's the other animals to have babies with. So when they're finding a mate, it's they're finding someone and they're going to make babies. Webbed. So like us, we do not have webbed fingers or toes, but webbed would be kind of like where it's connected right in here. And what that does is it makes it easier for them to swim and push the water. And this is our index. Remember, we see an index in nonfiction, and that would tell us, like, if we're wanting to learn about the colors of the frog, then we would go to page 8 or 9. If we want to learn about croaking and what it looks like when they make kind of like that big bubble, that's what it looks like, and I would see that on page 16. So this kind of gives me information. All right, this book was read on Epic for you, and I sent the link out for parents so that if you would like to get on Epic, you can do that as well. All right, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed this reading on learning about frogs, since we're doing frogs in math, and we're going to do a frog directed drawing later this week. Bye. Have a good day.